Styles group. You can apply predefined formatting for consistency. Headings, for example, header 1, title, subtitle, body text style, for quotes, caption, or emphasis. These commands ensure visual harmony and simplify navigation in a long document. Editing group. You can refine content efficiently. To open the Find and Replace dialog box, click the Home tab and click on Replace in the Editing group. To enter search terms, in the Find What, type the word Design. Type the replacement text, for example, Plan. To execute the replacement, replace one instance at a time. The next match will be highlighted automatically. To replace all occurrences at once. Using this option cautiously to avoid unintended changes. After clicking Replace All, a dialog box will display the number of replacements made. Close the dialog box by clicking Close or Cancel. Select. You can choose specific text, objects, or select all by pressing Ctrl A. These commands help you to simplify bulky edits or make large-scale adjustments to a document with ease. Add-ins group. You can access third-party tools, if installed. Extend words functionality with specialized tools like grammar checkers, templates, and more. Tailor words to your workflow by integrating third-party add-ins. For example, Citation Manager, Project Tracker to suit your needs. Notes. Add-ins streamline tasks and enhance productivity by adding features beyond Word's default capabilities. Insert tab. The Insert tab allows you to add elements like images, tables, charts, hyperlinks, and more. Key groups include pages, with commands like cover page, blank page, and page break. Click the cover page. From the list of cover pages, select a preferred cover to insert in place. Tables. Illustrations with commands like pictures, shapes, icons, and 3D models. Media with commands like online videos and audio. Links, hyperlinks, bookmarks, and cross-reference. Comments. Header and footer. Text with commands like text box, quick paths, and word arts. Symbols with commands like equations and symbols. To insert a table, click the Insert tab. In the Tables group, select Table. Hover over the grid to select your desired rows and columns. For instance, 3x4. Click to insert the table. Customize the table using the Tables tools. Select the first row. Right-click and click Merge and Center. Then enter the heading and the contents. When you look at the tabs area, you will notice a contextual tab appearing on the ribbon only when a specific object is selected. This tab provides tools and options related to the selected objects, such as images, tables, or charts. Since a table is selected, the Table Design and the Table Layout tab appear. To delete excess row, select the last row of the table. Click on the Table Layout tab. In the Row and Column group, click Delete. Then select Delete Row. Now select the entire table. Click on the Table Design tab. In the Table Styles group, choose your preferred style from the available options. Add images or shapes. To insert an image, go to the Insert tab. In the Illustrations group, select Pictures. Choose this device to upload from your computer. Browse or select the images, then click Insert. To insert shape, in the Insert tab, go to the Illustrations and click the Shapes command. select a shape, for example, rectangle. From the drop-down menu, click and drag on your document to draw the shape. Customize the size, color, and style using the Shape Format tab, which only appears when a shape is selected. Design tab offers option to apply themes and customize the overall appearance of your document. It has the document formatting group and page background group. To add a page border, click on the Design tab. In the page background group, select Page Borders. In the Borders and Shading dialog box, choose a style, color, and width. For your border, select the border scope, that is, all size or specific size. Click OK to apply the border to your document. Note, this feature is ideal for adding a formal touch to reports, certificates, and invitation cards. To insert a watermark, go to the Design tab. In the Page Background group, click on Watermark. A gallery of preset watermark such as confidential or drafts will appear. You can select one of these for a quick application. For more customization, choose Custom Watermark. In the dialog box that appears, you can select either a text or an image watermark. Customize the watermark by adjusting the text, font, size, color, or by choosing an image file. Click OK to insert the watermark into your document. Note, watermarks are ideal for branding or indicating the status of a document without distracting from the content. Layout tab. The Layout tab provides tools for adjusting margins, orientation, and spacing. Key groups include page setup. It includes margins, orientation, page breaks, and more. Paragraph. It includes line spacing, indentation, and more. Arrange. It includes positioning objects, wrapping text, layering, and more. To change margins, click on the Layout tab. In the Page Setup group, select Margins. Choose a preset margin style. For instance, narrow, moderate, or wide. If the presets don't suit your needs, select Custom Margins. In the Page Setup dialog box, input your desired measurements for the top, bottom, left, and right margins, then click OK. To change orientation, click the Layout tab. In the Page Setup group, select Orientation. Choose between Landscape, which is horizontal, or Portraits, which is vertical, to adjust how your document is displayed and printed. Follow along in this course by subscribing to the TechTricksGh channel, and soon you'll be using Microsoft Word like a pro.